guys, welcome back to the channel. I had to shoot another video just before the holidays. Well, a couple of days before Christmas. I've been wearing clean clothes for far too long and I had to get out of the house, to be honest with you. So just a few minute video. I want to give you a quick update of what I've been up to. As you can see in the background there, I'll show you. We've got the fender, one of the fenders for the 108 that got crunched here. This was painted some time ago, but I wanted to scuff it up and do one final coat along with the hood, so everything, all the pressures are the same and everything. So I'm knocking this down with 600 grit with my blocks and everything. I'm going to talk later about all the details. That's all been primed up, ready for going through all the grades and stuff, ready for final painting, single stage obviously. And this is like I say, one of the fenders. I've got the other one in the shed, painted ages ago, these ones. So let me go up to the other shop and I've got a few other things to show you guys. Oh, one other thing, the cowling's up there. See the cowling, I've done that. And that's one of the doors to the 109. The other one's over there that I've got to start priming early part of next year, get things rolling on that. So let me shut the lights off here and go up top. So here's the 4.5, just pulled it out. You can hear it humming away here. I primed our repair area here. I haven't put the shock back on here because I've got to paint that area, and also I want to touch up some surface rust on these rockers once I've got the paint mixed up. But you can hear that humming away. That guy, honestly, I haven't fired it up since I think May. It's been sitting in the garage and sitting around not being used, doing all this work. Just fired it up, running real sweet. There's a little repair work down here on that front rocker there. As you can see, all the lovely shiny new parts in there. Bled the brakes. And some of you probably run into this. When you do the engine mounts, it's obviously going to lift the front of the engine. You've got to do the rear transmission mount. Because check this out. You can see how close the fan is to the shroud there. And I just was backing it up, and as I touched the brakes, the engine kind of just skimmed on top of there. I do have my transmission mount, so I'm going to put that on. So then it essentially lifts the engine back that way and levels everything. But I'm not going to do it now, but when you rev this stays solid, dead still. There's no big all this business because we've got new shocks and everything on. It's beautiful. Can't wait to get this back on the road and get rolling again. So that is what we got going. And obviously got all the parts now to start doing the short block on the 6.3. Everything's machined, ready to start in January. Slowly assembling that. Still got the heads to go in and new valve guides, all that business. But I had to check in with you guys because I was getting a little bit cabin feverish. Also, I gave all this wheel arch a good old clean up. All that dirt, I've still got a little bit left to do, but it's come up really nice actually. One other thing. See this antenna here, it never worked well with the radio, and I was wondering if there was a problem with the radio itself, but check out this terrible connection. Someone's botched it before. So my question is there a joiner thing, you know, that you can put on here and put on here and just kind of join them together simply, rather than having to go in and having to pull the radio out? If I have to, I have to, but I thought I'd ask you guys. So that is that. This looks like the power to a Hirschman antenna that goes on this bracket, I believe. And if this isn't repairable, then maybe I'll look at getting a Hirschman and stick that on there. And also another thing, where do I get this stuff? You know, this gasket material that goes between the fender and the body. That would be a great little bit of information to have for that, because that's something I'm going to need. And also I'm going to need it for the grille mating to the freshly painted hood. And also I'm going to put the 4.5 thick sound deadening material back on. The 280 and the 6.3, they don't have it, but the 4.5 and 3.5 have that apparently, so I'll make sure that goes in. Now as far as the 6-cylinder, my 280 SE 6-cylinder, I've got a couple of things I want to do early next year on this. Heater controls, they've been broken for a long time, so I wanted to shoot a video sometime next year on taking the heater controls out, lubricating everything and put new controls in. And as some of you are aware, that's a fair sized job. I mean, you know, I've done it before on the 4.5. It's not too bad, but it's a lot of kind of fiddly job. Also, window regulator on this side's acting up a little bit. I'm curious to know what's going on in there. So pulled it into the garage now. So that is that with that guy. Wish you all the really best for Christmas. Happy New Year to you all, and I'll see you in the new year. Don't eat and drink too much. Well, don't eat too much anyway. So, all right, have a good one, guys. Cheers. Please hit like, share, subscribe. Ta-da.